Hi, my name is Joseph Burke. I'm one of the consultant relations managers here at Draper, and we wanted to put this video together to demonstrate the correct way to install the brackets when using the Barco SmartTrim from Draper. Now, the issue that we found is that the interface between these two, we've had some issues here on site, and it's really to do with where these washers are placed. So what I'm going to show is the incorrect way of installing that, which you'll see causes a bend in our bracket. So as you can see, I put both washers above the bracket, which we'll just screw down here. And once that happens, we start to see that this bracket will start to bend away, which causes an opening between trim pieces, especially in the corners. So in order to prevent this from happening, what we need to do is make sure these washers are in the correct place. Now, the reason for this is because of the recess sections that you can see on these four main holes here on the Barco bracket. So what we do to address the recess on these four main attachment holes is we use this larger washer here that is placed on that recess. Then we place our bracket on top. We then take our bolt and our other washer, which will then go through and be screwed in like this, making sure that we are in the center of that bracket. And then, of course, using our Allen wrench, we tighten it down. This will allow for correct placement of that bracket, which will allow the trim to line up as it is designed. For more information about the Barco SmartTrim product that Draper sells, you can go ahead to the Draper website at draperinc.com. Or if you're having any issues during installation, please feel free to call our technical team on 800-238-7999. Thank you.